Hey everyone, welcome. This is Mona, and look what I got. Actually, I have two. Oh my God, I finally found what I've been looking for. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at this leaf. Still hardening off. And look at that one. Can you see that one? Here we go. Closer to you. But anyway, yeah, look at the stem. So, if you're not aware, this is what I've been looking for a while now. This is my Philodendron White Knight from Trendon Tropicals, Costa Farms. And I've been watching you guys find these in your Lowe's, some Home Depots, some Walmarts. And I was on a mission and I was going and looking. And today I just happened to stop in to Lowe's, not for this, but while I was there, I was looking for a self-watering pot, which I didn't find, but happened to go over and I was about to shoot a video. And lo and behold, I was ready to leave. And then something said, you didn't check this aisle. Went down that aisle and woof, I was like, finally. I'll show you the other one later. I have her upstairs with a fan trying to dry her out. But this one has a couple of leaves that were, I don't know, damaged or whatever, but I just want to make sure there's nothing more going on and get it out of this soil and repot it. They may both go together. There's more than one. There's two plants in here. Look at the stems. I don't know if you can actually see all that. But I'm going to take it out and see what I'm working with. I don't want to take the chance of losing these two. It took me, the pot is super heavy. And what I did was put paper towel down there and it's soaked. Okay, so that's how wet these poor things are. Oh, and by the way, if you live in Frederick and you want one of these, there were quite a few left there. It's the Lowe's on Buckystown Pike in Frederick, Maryland. So if you're looking for one of these, get moving. Oh man, I couldn't believe it. I was like, finally. And they had another plant. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. But yeah, this other plant was quite striking, had pretty leaves. I'm not going to try to pronounce that word. Okay, I'm going to try it. I hope I didn't just crack a root. Schismatoglotis or something like that. You know which plant I'm talking about? Well, the one they happen to have there was gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful leaves. Hey, look at this. Nice little root system, right? I think I'm gonna stick with this pot. I just want to change the soil. It's saturated. It's so wet. So anyway, I had them all. I was pulling out most of them from back in the shelf. Oh my God. I forgot all about filming. I didn't have a cart, so I had no intent to buy it, at least not this. But I've been looking for a few weeks now. All my shopping videos, I was really searching for these guys. And finally found them. So I took the two, only because I couldn't make up my mind. And well, I'm happy now. So my main thing is to keep them alive. Okay, so welcome back. And let me introduce you to my other baby. Here it is. Look at that baby. Moon. You see that? Yep. And this one has 2 new leaves. And look at that. Yep. I'm happy with those. Like I said, I couldn't make up my mind. But anyway. So let me get to finishing potting this one up, and then we'll just go ahead and do that one as well. Okay, I was going to make my sphagnum poles with the plastic, insert, but I'm lazy right now. So I found these two. I could always extend these over time, like one in the other, like so. But I think I'm just going to use these. And I changed my mind again. And I think I will put them together. The pole in the center. Now I'm wishing I did that with the other one. And just tie them each to the pole on each side, right? I'll turn this one around, I think. Be facing each other like so. All right, laying down like this so I don't forget which one is facing which way. All right, so let's get to potting up. All right, so these guys thinking are gonna be like so, with the pole in between. Get some soil in there and work the pole in there. That way. Yeah, I need another set of hands here. beautiful morning light. I'll see how that works out. Or I might have it in my plant room, just pulled back a bit from that direct sun and see what happens. What do you think? Should I put one plant in there and the other one in my bedroom? Two different types of lighting, morning and an afternoon. See what happens? I don't know. What do you think? Comment below. Tell me about your experience with the Philodendron White Knight. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.